Good day, ma'am. I'm Chancel Fernandez from Base Cream 2A. Praying Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Good day to you all. It's honor to be here as your president. Many things we said, many things we are done, some praise, some criticize, but one thing remains clear. I serve with the unwavering dedication to the Filipino people. Pillars: ending illegal drugs, fighting corruption, and improving infrastructure. The war on drugs was undeniably controversial, but I believe it was necessary to restore peace and order in our community. We made significant strides in reducing crime rates, creating safer streets for our families. We are perfect and mistakes were made, but the goal was always to protect citizens. Corruption, thus was another battle. We targeted high-ranking officials pushing for transparency and accountability. It's an ongoing fight, but we make progress laying the groundwork for a cleaner government. This was crucial for build trust, a foundation for lasting progress. Build was not just a slogan, it was a commitment to improve the lives of the Filipino. Through better infrastructure, we invested heavily in roads, bridges, railways, and other vital projects, creating jobs and boosting economic growth. This project will continue to benefit the Filipino for years to come. There are just some of the tangible results. Beyond my all achievement, I believe my legacy lies in my commitment to the Filipino people. I spoke directly to them, addressing their concerns and frustration, even if I meant being controversial. I strive to be a leader who listened and acted decisively, even when facing difficult choices. The Philippines is a strong and resilient nation, and its future. I'm proud of what we accomplished together, and I remain committed to the progress and well-being of the country. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!